Precast concrete is manufactured off-site in a controlled environment. This helps minimize negative impact to a construction site while maximizing quality. Precast concrete does not require on-site storage or staging and is delivered to the project as it is needed. It is typically erected with a crane and a relatively small crew, which allows for construction within a tight perimeter of a project. This can greatly decrease the footprint requirements of a project site and help minimize disruption to the surrounding areas. Precast concrete also arrives to a project ready for installation and typically does not require additional cutting or modification, thereby reducing dust and waste. Many projects have used the inherent strength and flexibility of precast concrete to help reduce the heat island effects by creating green roofs, consolidating parking, and using lighter colors. Because it is made of concrete, precast has thermal mass, which can be used to reduce the total energy needed to heat and cool a building. Concrete has a high heat capacity, which means it can slowly absorb and store heat energy, and likewise slowly release it when the temperature differential shifts. This helps reduce the magnitude of the heating and cooling peaks, as well as shift peaks to times when utility rates are less expensive. This all translates to less energy needed to maintain a comfortable and more uniform indoor temperature. Precast concrete sandwich wall panels combine thermal mass with a layer of continuous insulation, thereby eliminating thermal bridges or cold spots. This has been verified using thermal imaging. The effects of thermal mass can also be seen in the thermal imaging studies. Since energy efficiency is one of the greatest factors contributing to the total environmental impact, this is a vital area to optimize. Precast concrete sandwich wall panels can greatly contribute to the optimization of a building's envelope and can help reduce the total energy consumption of a building by as much as 30%. Precast concrete is a regionally available material, with PCI certified precast concrete manufacturers in almost every state. Getting materials within a 500-mile radius is easy. Precast concrete often contains recycled materials, such as supplementary cementing materials as a replacement for cement and recycled steel used for reinforcement and hardware. Precast concrete is also fairly unique in that it can be disassembled and reused in another project. This has already happened on several projects. An example is one of the stadiums used in the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta, Georgia, where the stadium was disassembled after the Olympics and used to create 4 high school stadiums.